Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I will show you how to set up a proxy in the Indigo Anti-Detect browser. Sign up to get started, choose a plan, and log in to your browser. You can specify your proxies while creating a new profile. To do this, select Edit Proxy Settings. The window for setting a proxy will open. Select the protocol type in the first field. Enter the IP and port of your proxy below. If you are going to use a free proxy, then you don't need to enter anything else. But if your server is a personal one, then enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. When the data is entered, you need to check the performance of the proxy. Do this by clicking on the Check Proxy button. If the proxy is operating successfully, then you can use it for the profile. And if not, you need to configure settings once again, but with working proxies. When everything is entered, create a profile and you are ready to go. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.